Hi, I'm going to show you how to install the Delphi 2014 Release 3 software. First, you will need to copy the software folder from the DVD to your computer, and then open one of the software folder. Now I'm opening the car software folder, and then look for main.exe and open it. Okay. The first thing you need to do is have the software activated. So press next, next again, and next again, and press start. Okay, and now you need to press yes, and you are going to save the key file. Okay, I'm saving my key file on my desktop, and the name of the key file is called fileactivation.xml. Okay, and then what you need to do is you will need to email the key file to me, and I will have the key file activated and send it back to you. And my email address is diagnosticactivation@gmail.com, and my eBay ID is Yanni2015. Okay, after you receive my activated key file from my email, and then you need to open the car software again. Open the main.exe and do the same thing again. Press next, next, next again. Press start. Okay, and this time you press no to open the key file. And I have my key file on my desktop. The fileactivation.xml. And then the Delphi software will continue to install. And I'm installing on Windows 10, so Delphi software is compatible with Windows 10. Okay, now you have this Delphi software activated.